Are you tired of slow cooking, uneven heat, or wasting time in the kitchen? The right stove can completely change your cooking experience. Welcome back to HnK Parts. In today's video, we're exploring the top 7 benefits of gas stoves and how they help you cook faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Let's get started. One of the biggest advantages is faster cooking performance. High-quality burners produce strong, consistent flames, helping you boil, fry, and cook meals much quicker than traditional stoves. Another key benefit is precise temperature control. With smooth turn knobs and steady flame output, you can easily switch from high heat to low simmer, giving you better control over every dish. Next is energy efficiency. Advanced gas air mixing ensures a clean blue flame, which means better combustion, faster cooking, and less fuel consumption. Modern kitchens also demand smart design and convenience. With features like auto ignition, you can start cooking instantly without matches, making your experience safer and hassle-free. Another important benefit is even heat distribution. Strong pan supports and well-designed burners help eliminate hot spots, ensuring your food cooks evenly every time. Durability is another major advantage. These stoves are built with tough materials like heat-resistant surfaces and corrosion-resistant burners, designed to handle daily use with ease. And finally, enhanced safety features. Many models include protection systems that help prevent gas leaks, providing added safety and reliability. With all these benefits, upgrading your stove isn't just about looks, it's about improving speed, efficiency, and reliability in your kitchen. Visit HnKparts.com for high-quality gas stove replacement parts with fast shipping. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media for more smart kitchen tips. Thanks for watching.